Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Ocwen Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Ocwen Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in ocwen.com and make a search. The official page of Ocwen Mortgage will appear on the screen. Click on Customer Login option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, click on Sign In option. Now enter your username and password associated with your Ocwen Mortgage account and tap on Login. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Username in case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. You also need to tick mark on the second box to agree to the terms and conditions of Ocwen Mortgage account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can log into your Ocwen Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.